Hey y'all, it's Jatara, and today we're working with Midjourney again. So I'm going to show you guys how to change the aspect ratio with one of your AI image generations. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do it in Discord, and I'm going to also show it to you on the Midjourney website. So let's do Discord first because I know most people do use Discord. So I'm just going to kind of go through and pick one of the older pictures that I did. So I guess I'll just pick this one. I'll just kind of copy and paste this. Okay. All right. So I'm just going to copy that. You can put whatever you want to. I'm just going to hit slash imagine, and I'm going to paste that right there. So again, right here, you just put whatever you want to. Now, after you put whatever your prompt is, you want to do 2 dashes like this. Then you want to put AR. So AR stands for aspect ratio. Then you want to hit space. Then you want to put whatever ratio you want. Now, you can put whatever you want, but you have to make sure that it's simplified. Now, by that, I mean, if you know math, you know what I'm trying to say. But I can't put something like 2/6, right? So you got to put whatever that would be simplified. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So I would just put for that one 1/3. Does that make sense? And I mean, if you don't know what in the world I'm talking about, I would just say go do something like this. Put a ratio simplifier, because I use this one sometimes if it's like a real big number. So if I put like 2/6, see, 1/3. So it's like you got to divide it. You know what I'm saying? The math stuff is right here. But anyways, you would just put 1/3 instead, because if you do 2/6, it's not going to work. But I would just do 1/3. Then I'll just give it a second, and then you'll get whatever size it is that you want. And that's basically it. So I'm going to let that render for a second. I'm going to go do it on the website now. It's really the same exact thing. So if I go, and I guess I'll use this prompt right here. You can also see right here where they put their ratio at. So 1/1, that would be a square. And you can get some crazy ones if you want to. Like if you want to do the one for like if you have a phone, whatever like this size would be, you would do 916 instead of putting something like 1080 by 1350 or not 1080 by 1350. But you see what I'm saying. You could do big numbers like that, but again, they just have to be simplified. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do something for like a phone wallpaper size. So I'll let that one render. So I think the last one finished already. Let me refresh it. So yeah, so you see this one is taller because I did 1/3. Now if you don't put anything at all for your aspect ratio, sometimes I've noticed it'll just make your pictures just a perfect square, so it'll make the ratio 1/1. That's what it does in Discord, I've noticed. But if you do type 1, again, you can just do whatever you want to, but sometimes you'll get one that says 4/5, or it might be 1/1, I've noticed by default. But so yeah, you guys, that's how you change your aspect ratio in Midjourney. If y'all have any questions, just let me know, and happy rendering. Bye.